What's up, guys? All right. So this morning, we identified CHEF. CHEF. Goal time is right there at 7:30. So I know as soon as it crosses goal time, I'm going to be jumping in, right? So now we're watching the clock, the bell rings, and boom, this thing takes a huge dump on me. But as you guys can see, I didn't hold on to this stock very long. So my entry was at 732. I ended up selling the second it went to about 720. So I cut my losses fast. Yes, we do take losses over here, but we're able to get out of these trades very quickly if it goes against us. We don't use hoping and praying as a strategy. There's a lot of people that make big mistakes by hoping and praying a stock will go back up because they think that they really don't want to take a huge loss. They don't want to take loss. And so, the best traders on this planet, they are the best losers on earth. The reason that they are the best losers is because they take very small losses. If a stock goes against you, take the loss. Take a very small loss. Now imagine all these people who didn't take the small loss, right? They didn't take the small loss, so it went all the way down here. Now they're panicking. They're hoping that this thing rips back up so they can try to, cut some of their losses in half. And so this is what happens next. Boom, it goes even lower. And then boom, it goes even lower. And then boom, it goes even lower. And it continues to go lower. So this is why you don't want to hope and pray. Hoping and praying is not a strategy. What you want to do is you want to cut your losses fast, no emotions involved. The market does not care about your emotions. Just follow the strategy, cut your losses fast, go on and find the next stock to trade, which is what I did. And as you can see, I ended up trading WTRH, and I ended up recovering from this loss. So don't dwell on your losses. As you can see, I jumped in here at 732. The second it goes below my entry point, I got out. So I ended up taking a 12-cent loss. And typically I'm buying 3,000 shares. I took $360 loss, but I did not dwell on it. I just went on and found the next stock that's moving, which was this one here, WTRH, and I ended up making my money back. I ended up green, as a matter of fact. So just imagine all these people who they're panicking and they're hoping and praying that this stock goes back up, and then it does this to them, and they got creamed. Us over here, yes, we do take small losses. We do take losses, but we want our losses to be as small as possible. All right. So I hope you guys got some value out of this one. If you guys have any questions, comment below, and I'll be able to help you guys out. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon.